Alright guys, so I've got a pretty fun video for you today. I'm headed down to some freestone brookie streams because due to the recent rains, most of the spring creeks and other larger streams are flooded. And so the only streams that are actually going to fish well are these brookie streams that have just the right amount of water. So I'm going to head down, probably fish for 2 or 3 hours and then see what happens. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and yeah, see ya. Okay, so we didn't really get any love on the larger freestone stream. So we're heading up to a Class A wild brown and brook trout fishery, so we can hopefully get onto some native brookies and wild browns. So yeah, I'll see you when I get on a fish. So see ya. Look at this native brook trout. That is a stunning fish. I'm gonna hook ya. I'm a little 7'3" weight. Man, that is such a nice brookie. Like, this is a really nice native brook trout. Got the hook out of him. Look at that fish. Thanks, buddy. So my GoPro died, so I'm going to do some phone filming for now. But I've been fishing a good ways up this creek and just got my second brown trout. I've seen some brookies, but this is the brown I got. Beautiful fish, probably 7 or 8 inches. No, I'm going to say 9 inches, but there he goes. I'm fishing this amazing looking run. I'm going to set the phone up actually and see if I can't get any fish on camera. Alright, see if I can't get another fish out of here. There we go. No brook trout yet, but he's way up there by a tree. Okay. There we go. Oh, you saw that rise? Oh, another one. Okay, they're up in there. There we go. What do you think? There we go. Oh yeah, good brook trout. Little brown on the size 12 royal wolf. Try to show him off for a second. There he is. Alright, thanks bud. There he goes. Okay. Alright, I just got this gorgeous freestone brown trout on the pheasant tail. Alright, let's let him go.